Good afternoon, dear my teacher and my friends. Myself Vivek Shah. My ID number is 75, and my topic for presentation is business plan for Coca-Cola company. Uh, what I find out that a table of content of Coca-Cola company. First one is executive summary. Second one is introduction. Third one is company overview. Fourth one is competitive advantage. Uh, Fifth one is business strategy. Sixth one is competitive or industrial analysis. Seventh one is operation. Eighth one is Coca-Cola marketing strategy. And one is organizational structure. And 10 one is team and management structure. And last one is financial and financial budget and forecast. And first is executive summary. Executive summary: the following the business plan form the basis for the introduction of an improvement and the new product and the Coca-Cola company. The analysis allows us to online the best advantage, the best strategies to follow the achievement of the company strategic goals. Coca-Cola will be market as unique a financial drink, while the striving and the reinforcement the company's status as a leader, the innovation and successful product launches. Success will be reflected by the company of market share within the market, while strategically carrying the company up to the top spot of the market, while strategically carrying the company up to the top spot as the market leader in financial drinks segment of soft drinks. Export the potential will be considered in India. Executive summary of a business plan in an overview. Second one is introduction. Coca-Cola is a popular carbonate soft drinks in stores, restaurant and vending machines in over 200 countries. It is produced by the Coca-Cola company, which is also organizing referred to as Coca-Cola or Coke. It is one of the world's most popular soft drinks in all over the world. Although Coca-Cola has been the targeted urban legends, receiving the drink for his sponsorly carbonated amounts of acids or the life-changing the effects is carbonate water, but still it is the most in style soft drink. About in safety and ethics of the company that produce it is widely accepted as the dominant soft drink in the whole over country. In the late 19th century, the Coca-Cola has been launched in USA. Although the fact the equation of preserved site on the health of consumers, a monopolistic participate by its producing company. And next is a company overview. The Coca-Cola company is an beverage retailer, the manufacturer and marketers of non-alcoholic beverage, concentrate and stuffs. The company flagship product is Coca-Cola, but it offers more than 1,500 brands in over 200 countries. It addresses and serves a 1.6 billion service in each day. The Coca-Cola company is headquarter in USA. Gojia each stock is listed the New York Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange rate NYSE. And next is company advantage. And one of the most difficult but the essential tasks the entrepreneur facing to explain the comparative advantage. And these results permanently front and individually or conduct an industry analysis as suggest in this plan. Then you should be in a good position to define your comparative advantage. Second reason this is difficult is that manager is that a manager of your successful you will create a company. Next is business strategy for Coca-Cola company. Coca-Cola is evolving in its business strategy to become a total beverage company by giving people more of the drinks they want, including low and no sugar options across wide array of countries in more package sold in more locations and the business strategy there are 2 points. First is mission and vision. A Coca-Cola company for mission. Our roadmap starts with our mission, which enduring is declared our purpose as a company and serves as the standard against which we weight our actions and decisions. And second is a vision. Our vision serves of the framework of our roadmap and guides every aspect of our business by difficulty. What we needed to accomplish in order to continue achieving sustainable quality growth. The next point is operation. Operation are connected with how and by and the prepare your product or services for sale. That covers a lot of ground, including sourcing raw materials, hiring labor, acquiring facilities and equipment, and the shipping in finished goods, and it's different depending on whether you are manufacturer, a retailer, or a service firm. Next point is Coca-Cola marketing strategy. As the world's third most valuable brand, Coca-Cola is also one of the most successful. Its products are available in every country, although the grey market this also includes Cuba and North Korea. Cuba and North Korea. Having a marketing strategy technically uniquely designed, unique for the company has given it a huge boost for increasing global brand recognition. Like other companies, Coca-Cola bases its marketing strategy of the well known as a marketing mix of the 4Ps. And however, due to ununique of the company brands, we have mixed things up a bit by including other more suitable reasons behind the company serves behind the company serve and success and the unique of the brand. Next one is organizational structure. The Coca-Cola company structured in combination of both the machinetic and the organic model working together. The most area of concern of the Coca-Cola company is on the responsiveness is on the responsibleness um, the the inter the interweb and nature of intricate machines as previously discussed um, in the main characteristic of an organic structure. The companies expect associate 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 with manufacture uh, associate with manufacture model structure at the uh, centralization and the high standardization and the company stability and flexibility. Therefore it is uh, the therefore it is the machinic organic uh, as for the organic model concerned with the efficiency, high and low standards are responsible specialization high low and integrating machines, the sample complex centralization, the high low communication and the top of down. What is the paragraph? The organization structure. There are so many paragraphs. First one is paragraph one. First one is paragraph one. Paragraph one is overview of business. And the Coca-Cola company product. Coca-Cola is a beverage retailer, a manufacturer, and the marketer non-alcoholic beverage contains. Thus, stamps the Coca-Cola. The company flagship product is Coca-Cola. By the offers more than 500 brands over 200 countries. Or terrorist and the service and 1.6 billion service each day. Paragraph 2. The target market for Coca-Cola in business plan when it companies to the customer market. Coca-Cola has very brand market base. The company focuses its efforts on many different people cope over business uh, which has been carbonate a beverage has been targeting a large audience of the soft drink customers. Throughout history, the company has uh, has targeted many generations of people. The age of these people has been range of young and old generation. Coca-Cola has always been known as a classic, which has applied to the older audience. And third paragraph is one of kind of experience. One of kinds experience. Aquacola expanded beyond the limits of your office. We have a strong associate of brand of events. Coca-Cola continues to support events such as the organic jams and the World Cup. Select positions and directly attend the influence and happin- uh, the happiness uh, the happiness making your place in the Coca-Cola company fresh and well rounded. and the fourth paragraph is sales projection. In new business plan, sales projection must be needed for uh, measurement of the company products. And the paragraph 5 is repayment. uh, business loan repayment plans come in different shapes and forms. By you may be more familiar with monthly, weekly, or evenly uh, bi-weekly payments, depending on the situation on time frame. You will you, you will part of you uh, you will part of you borrowed plus any uh, interest that accurate since your last payment. Next point is team and management structure. The company overview. The term chapter of your business plan is where you make your best care that you have the right team in place execute on your make idea. It should show that you have thought about the important role and responsibility your business needs in order to grow and be successful. Uh, Include brief bios and highlight relevant experience of each key term number. It's important here to make the cases for why the team is the right team to turn an idea into a reality. Though they have the right industry experience and background, have the members of the term had entrepreneurial success. And the last point, financial budget and forecast for Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola company has been able to capture a market share of approximately 90%. 90%. The company is therefore in a strategic position to use the profit it make to add to its capital so that they can increase production. Increase in production will consequently result to an increase in sales Coca-Cola company. I have mentioned the financial budget of Coca-Cola company in assignment. Please check it, sir, and thank you, sir.